ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 Gaming Laptop Review Ultimate Powerhouse Tested. So the ASUS ROG Strix Scar is a flagship 18-inch gaming workstation laptop built with up-to-date hardware, which is offering an Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX CPU plus the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU. So what's good and bad about it? It has a refined chassis and design aesthetics and RGB. It offers excellent inputs and decent I/O. It has a beautiful matte mini LED display, and it's more powerful than previous generations in sustained loads in games. It offers versatile power profiles, improved cooling over previous cars, and it has a good audio with quad speakers. However, there have as blocks, matchy surfaces, especially within the plastic interior. The ergonomics are also still a hit and miss. It runs hot when kept flat on a desk, it has a poor camera, and it is expensive. So for the pros and cons, basically, that's how it is. Now for the specs, as you can see, it has an 18-inch display, a 16 by 10 non-touch matte ROG Nebula HDR, and a mini LED display, with offering up to 240Hz, 3ms, and around 1000 nits HDR. Now for the processor, it offers the Intel Arrow Lake HX or Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX, with a max server of 8 PC plus 16 EC 24TB up to 5.4 GHz Max Turbo. Now for the video, it has an Intel graphics and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop, 24 GB graphics, which is up to 175 watts with dynamic boost and some advanced Optimus and G-Syncs. And for the memory, it offers 64 GB RAM, which is the DDR5 5600 RAM, and for the storage is a 2 TB SSD and RAID 0, which is very powerful. Now for the battery though, it has a 90 watts, and for the size, it is very heavy and large, and for the weight, is apparently heavy, which is a 7.2 pounds and 1 kg in the power brick and cables. So overall, the design and structure is a full-size and heavy 18-inch laptop, which is slightly larger and heavier than before. So overall, it is one of the most powerful laptops you can buy right now in 2025. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.